Isang malusog na araw sa inyong lahat. It is with great pride and pleasure that I speak before you today to celebrate the first anniversary of the PNP Medical Officers Association Incorporated.
Sa pagdiriwang ninyo ng inyong unang anibersaryo, karangalan ko mong batiin kayo at makiisa sa inyong pagdiriwang.
Sana'y patuloy kayong magtagumpay at magkaroon ng mas maraming pagkakataon na maglingkod sa kapwa.
Pinaabot ko sa inyong lahat ang aking taus-pusong pasasalamat sa inyong malasakit at paglilingkod sa kapwang mga lingkod bayan nating mga pulis.
It is an honor to join you in celebrating this significant achievement, the first anniversary of your esteemed association.
Isang masaya at malusog na araw sa inyong lahat. Unang-una sa lahat, binabati ko ang Philippine National Police Medical Officers Association na kasalukuyang binubuo ng 69 na miyembro sa inyong unang taon bilang organization.
On behalf of Quezon City, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to PNP Medical Officers Incorporated under the leadership of Police Lieutenant Colonel Abigail Daniel as you celebrate your first anniversary.
Rest assured that the PNP is with you in your endeavor to strengthen and enhance the competency of our medical officers.
I take pride in acknowledging your remarkable contributions that your association has made over the past year.
This milestone is a celebration of the great selfless service that you are doing for the Filipino people.
Today is the first anniversary of PNP Medical Officers Association Incorporated or PNP MOAI. Ang amin pong pagbati sa inyong anibersaryo.
I congratulate you on your first year foundation anniversary and wish that your association will continue to thrive and grow. I look forward to work closely with your officers and members to further our mission of promoting excellence in healthcare and fostering collaboration among medical professionals.
Thank you very much for strengthening the unity and relationship of our medical doctors, the PNP, and that of the civilian sectors. Maraming salamat, and again, congratulations.
Nandito lang po kami to fully support our PNP Medical Officers Association Incorporated.
Let us work together to create a future where excellent healthcare is accessible. Once again, congratulations on your first anniversary.
Congratulations once again. I look forward to witnessing the continued success of the PNP Medical Officers Association Incorporated.
Unang mga anibersaryo ito, tiyak ko, hindi ito ang magiging huli. Sa muli, binabati ko po kayo. Happy first anniversary at naway patuloy na lumakas at tumatag ang PNP Medical Officers Association Incorporated.
Happy first anniversary!